Hello friends, welcome to my kitchen. Take 6 eggs and carefully separate the yolks from the whites into 2 clean bowls. If you haven't subscribed yet, I'd be so happy for you to join our little community. Your support truly means the world to me. Work slowly here. Crack each egg gently and let the whites slip into one bowl, keeping the yolk in the shell. Make sure the whites stay completely free of yolk. Even the smallest drop of fat will prevent them from whipping properly. Room temperature eggs whip up faster and hold their shape better. If your eggs are cold, place them in warm water for about 5 to 10 minutes before cracking. This simple step gives the batter more volume and a beautifully smooth texture. Now take 1 lemon. Zest it first. Lemon zest not only adds a bright, fresh flavor, but also gently balances the richness of the eggs and yogurt. It's a natural way to lift the taste of the cake and remove any heavy or eggy aroma. When zesting, try to take only the yellow outer layer. This part contains the fragrant oils that give the best flavor. Then cut the lemon in half and squeeze the juice of 1/2. If you have any questions about the recipe or need any tips, feel free to drop them in the comments. Use a citrus juicer if you have one. It makes it easier to extract all the juice and keeps the seeds out. If you're enjoying the recipe so far, please don't forget to give this video a like. It really helps my channel grow. The acidity in the lemon juice helps stabilize the egg whites as they whip, making the meringue light, airy, and more stable. Take your mixer and begin whipping the egg whites. Start on a low speed for the first 20 to 30 seconds. This helps break up the whites gently and create small, uniform bubbles. When soft bubbles form, start adding 1/2 cup or 100 grams of sugar gradually. Add the sugar in 2 or 3 portions, waiting until each addition is fully dissolved before adding the next. This slow process ensures the meringue becomes smooth and glossy without any graininess. Continue whipping until you reach stiff peaks. The peaks should stand tall and hold their shape when you lift the beaters, yet still look silky and moist, not dry. To the bowl with yolks, add 2 cups or 480 grams of natural unsweetened yogurt, 1/2 cup or 60 grams of baking flour, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, the lemon zest you prepared earlier, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Whisk gently until smooth. Take your time here. The goal is to combine everything evenly without rushing. Mixing by hand prevents overworking the batter, which can make the cake dense, and instead keeps the texture light and delicate. Now it's time to gently fold the meringue into the yolk mixture. Do this in 3 additions. Add the first portion to the yolk mixture and mix a little more actively at this stage. Not too roughly, but enough to loosen the thick yolk batter, which helps lighten the mixture. Next, add the second third. Take your time. This stage is about combining without breaking the air bubbles. You may still see faint streaks of white, and that's fine. Finally, add the last third of the meringue. This is where you must be the most gentle. Use broad, sweeping folds, almost like you're hugging the batter rather than stirring it. Pour the batter into a prepared cake mold lined with parchment paper. I always enjoy hearing where you're watching from, so let me know in the comments. What country, state, or city are you in today? Tap the mold lightly on the table to remove large air bubbles. Place the mold into a larger baking tray and pour hot water into the tray. Move the cake to a preheated oven and bake for 30 minutes at 302 degrees Fahrenheit or 150 degrees Celsius. Then reduce the temperature to 230 degrees Fahrenheit or 110 degrees Celsius and bake for another 60 minutes. When baked, remove from the oven. Then remove the mold and peel away the parchment paper. Allow the cake to cool completely. It will settle slightly as it cools, which is normal. Dust the top with powdered sugar for a beautiful finish. Slice gently with a knife. The inside should be soft, moist, and airy, with a delicate hint of lemon. Take a bite, light as a cloud, softly sweet, and perfectly refreshing. It's the kind of cake that feels like a gentle hug. Thank you so much for cooking with me today. I hope this cake fills your home with comfort, sweetness, and a little moment of happiness for you and your loved ones.